deal. This is Dave from Iron Blackbird Cycles. We're in New Mexico today. We're just out of Tucumcari. This looks to be an old filling station back in the day. Sure be nice if some people would come in and rebuild these stations the way they were and put them back. Hell, dig a hole, put a deal in and put them back in service. It'd be awesome. You know how many people would probably come here to just get gas instead of going to the big gas station? Put a fellow out there pumping your gas and checking your oil and cleaning your windshield. Nice full service station. These places are gorgeous. Even in their broken down state, they're gorgeous. I love these walls. Looks like somebody drug that in for a fire pit. Had them a tent set up here. Bet you there's some rattlesnakes under these rocks somewhere. Glad I got boots on. Well, we're headed on to Santa Rosa. We're going to Cuervo first, which is a ghost town. Then we're headed to Santa Rosa. And we may try to get up to Santa Fe today, maybe. Stopped in here at Montoya Cemetery, established 1910, New Mexico. We're outside of Tucumcari, headed towards Cuervo and Monte Rosa. And we might go up to Santa Fe today. We didn't really, we were trying to decide if we were going to go on out to the Grand Canyon or not still. We got a limited time, you know, like everybody. This is me and my brother's trip out west. We don't hardly go west much. So, I found a cactus over here. This is something we don't see in Southern Illinois. You know, one thing we haven't seen out here the whole trip is tumbleweed.
We're out in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, I'm going to take a picture of this cactus. You'll see a video of it.
We have a cacti. And we're keeping a close eye out for rattlesnakes out here. The landscape out here is gorgeous. Iron Blackbird Cycles. Tell them to go to there on YouTube.